The IMSA Deep Hole Drilling Machine MF1250 2FL is designed for machining molds weighing up to 6 tons. Its reliability allows unattended operation and enables long drilling cycles before the gun drill needs to be resharpened. The machining unit houses 2 spindle lines, deep hole drilling and milling on separate units, with fully automatic switching in just a few seconds. This machine features an exclusive solution for managing inclined holes, thanks to a rotary tilting table with advanced rotation center. Thanks to this solution, even highly complex cooling circuits can be drilled in one setup, taking full advantage of the machine's vertical travel. This is a compact machine with generous travels compared to its footprint in the workshop. The self-supporting shell structure of our MF1250 2FL makes special foundations unnecessary. Our vertical gantry column offers stiffness 16 times higher than an equivalent structure with a column guided only at the base. This machine performs deep hole drilling with gun drills from 4 to 30 millimeters for a maximum drilling depth of 1,250 millimeters. The temperature, pressure, and cleanliness of the oil or coolant are optimized for long, deep drilling cycles. IMSA-specific functions control the deep drilling process, including coordinate transformation for incline machining, electronic approach to the part, and force monitoring to prevent gun drill breakage. Our large diameter kit option allows deep hole drilling with gun drills up to 32 millimeters in solid material and up to 40 millimeters with a pilot hole. The autofocus movement of the steady rests ensures optimal guidance of the gun drill. In addition to deep holes for cooling circuits, this machine performs various milling operations on the mold mechanics, such as squaring, pocket milling, ejector holes, threading, and more. Spindle switching is done in seconds via M function, with no operator intervention required. The milling spindle also features an internal oil-through circuit up to 50 bar, along with external air and oil cooling via nozzles. The milling head is supported by an automatic tool changer, with various storage capacities available as options.